gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my April luxury divas. Guys, I really like most of the things that I get in this box every single month. Let's see if I like everything this time. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Woo! Let's see what's in it. I did, cut the tape, but that's all I did. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. Awesome, awesome. The value for everything in the box this time is $123 total. I pay $30 a month for this box. Ooh, it's kind of ripped up. I didn't do that, guys. I did not do that. I mean, maybe I did when I opened it. I don't know. Let's go ahead and just take a look and see what we got. All right. Ooh. Oh, Pringles. Awesome. All right, that's what it looks like when I open it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with this. This is something I have to open. It's called Mousse Matte. Okay, so I'm assuming there's some kind of lip glosses. Let me just show them both to you at the same time. Maybe. Hopefully you guys are seeing those when I zoom in. And we'll just go ahead and pop them open and see. Ooh, that's a great color. Look at that. Yes, please. It's kind of similar to what I have on right now. That is pretty. All right. And this one. Okay, for sure. For sure on both of them. I will definitely wear both those lipsticks or lip gloss. What are they? Let's check it out here really quick. They are 2-pack Italia Deluxe Mousse Matte Lipstick. The value for those is $14. All right, that's cool. I'm definitely going to wear both of those. What do we have? Like a scarf thingamabobber? This is pretty. Will I wear it? I don't know. Probably not. But it's not bad, guys. Oh, let me come back a little bit here. So, I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty. But it's just really not something I would probably wear. But let's take a look at the cost. I mean, I might wear it for a belt. I don't know. We'll see. It is a bold geometric pattern silk scarf. It's a 2-pack, so 2 scarves. And the value for those scarves is $19. Okay. Ooh, yes. I'll probably wear this. I don't know if it's my size, though. It looks awful big. I mean, I'm not that big. I'll have to DIY a fix for it. But look. Look at that belt. Yes. I mean, I'm pretty sure you had to put what sizes you were and stuff. It's like a stretchy belt kind of situation. And I know I didn't say it was this big because I am not. Hello. I'm just saying. I'm not that big. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I'm not that big. I'll be embarrassed if I am at this point, right? Just saying. Yeah. Definitely. Woo! You can't see. But yeah, you can't see. But it's fine. I'm not that big. That makes me feel good. All right. So I don't know what size it is, but it's too big. Did you guys get the big part? All right. Just saying. Okay. So, what is it? It is a wide silver stud waist belt with rhinestone oval. Oh, the size is, this is a medium? Dude, that's a big medium. I'm definitely not a medium. I'm a small. So that's fine because I am a DIYer. I will have this on a Fix It Friday because I do absolutely love the belt. I want to wear the belt. So I will show you how I'm going to fix the belt. All right. Awesome. The value for it is $20. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we got Pringles, original Pringles. I'm pretty excited about that, guys. I don't know, I was craving some chips. Here they are. Great. All right, what else do we have in here? This is a necklace, and I'm going to open it because I can't see it. It's flipped upside down. They have it in nice plastic and all that kind of stuff, but oh, okay. You know what? It matches what they sent me last month. It's pretty, though. Look at that. That is really pretty. Definitely matches the earrings that they sent me last month, so I will just wear it as a set because they definitely match. Here's what the chain looks like, guys, for those of you who might be interested. Super long. It's probably going to be a long necklace, but that's really pretty. I like that a lot, actually. So we'll sit that right there. We will take a look here. And it says that it is a silver and black rhinestone pendant necklace, and the value for it is $20. Black and silver. I don't see any black. Do you guys see black? I mean, honestly, I think I had the same. They told me last time I got burgundy, and I didn't get burgundy. But whatever I got was the same colors, so whatever. I guess they just put whatever colors on the sheets, but they don't actually match what's in the box. Why? I don't know. Okay, so we have this mysterious green bag here. What is in this mysterious green bag? Let's pop it open. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a cuff bracelet. It's like flowers. I mean, I could put it on for you guys. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. That is pretty. I mean, I might have it a little too tight, but yeah, I mean, I like it. That's for sure. Okay, I mean, you could wear it here, but I'm sure you could put it some other places on your arm, maybe. I don't know. No, because it wouldn't fit. Look, it just barely fits here. All right, anyways. It is a sterling silver plated retro floral bangle cuff bracelet. The value is $25. I really dig the bracelet, and I'm just going to leave it on. Okay, so we have one more thing in here, which is always the clothes. It looks like I'm not going to like it, but here's a sneak peek. Let's go ahead and pop it open. It definitely doesn't look like something I will wear, but I mean, don't judge a book by its cover. Let's take it completely out and take a look. There went the box. Good thing I'm done. Oh, it's not bad though. It's sleeveless. Okay, so it's a sleeveless cardigan. Guys, this isn't bad. I mean, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, I'm actually feeling it. I will probably most likely wear this, honestly. I think it's cute. Really, now I think it's cute. At first glance, I wasn't feeling it. But now I think it's cute. I think I dropped the paper, didn't I? Did I drop the paper? I don't know where it is, so let me find the paper to get the value of that for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I mean, the paper fell with the box. I don't know what's going on with me. So let's check this out. So it's a mauve sleeveless lightweight vest cardigan. The value for the cardigan is $25. And again, the total value for everything in my box this month was $123. I surprisingly liked almost everything. The only thing that I will most likely not wear are the scarves. They're super cute. They're just not really my style, so I most likely won't wear those. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I might put them in a giveaway. I might give them to a friend. We'll just have to see. But nonetheless, this was a good box for this month. Again, the total value is $123 and I pay $30 a month for it. If anybody's interested in getting the Luxury Divas accessories box, I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Is this April? Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is too many videos in one time. I did so good the first one, and now I'm messing up. All right, try it again. And on this video, I have for you my April Luxury Divas. Guys, this is becoming one of my, no, not really. It's not one of my favorites, but I like it. So how do I say that? Try it again.